Okay. Eh, di ba abuse of discretion yun, Mr. Padulyon?
No, it is not, sir.
What is it?
It is not abuse of discretion.
What
The
is it?
parties, if I may be allowed to answer,
Yes,
sir.
what is it?
Yes, sir. If the parties both agree to the terms and conditions contained in the memorandum of
But you
agreement,
cannot
there is no
impose an
abuse.
agreement. If you cannot impose an agreement which is not required by the law, especially if you will put restitution there. How can you do that?
Mr. Chairman, sir, yung restitution po, yung memorandum of agreement is a product of an agreement between both the Secretary of Justice, representing the DOJ and the WPP, and the witness applicant. Wala pong abuse doon kung pareho po sila nagkasundo. Paulit-ulit na po namin sinasabi na ito tayo, naghahanap tayo, tagahabol tayo doon sa mga taong nangurakot. Tapos itong mga tao na umamin at handang magsoli, ayaw nating tanggapin yung kanilang sinusoli. Ano ho ang nakikitang mali doon?
Mark Oleta considered a legal luminary? In the calibers of lawyers, where does he fall?
It belongs to the lowest rank. It belongs to the lowest rank.